or her or anybody. Cowards do that and that ain't you. You're better than that.
Hello friends, my name is Sawan and welcome to my channel Tech Killer. So today we are going to learn about C language. So first of all, we are going to know that what is C language and how it will work. So C language is a basic programming language and it is developed in English language with 32 keywords. So this is the basic C language program, and it is human readable, so we are not able to give directly this code to machine, because machine is only able to read the binary language or machine language. So we have to create this English, um, C language to a machine language, high level language to machine level. So we are using compiler here which will convert this high level language called C to machine level, so that machine can read and execute this file. So the basic program is here, hash include studio.h. So what do we mean by this? Hash include, this means it will include the studio.h, means standard input output is one header file provided by C compiler, in which the input output functions like printf and scanf are there. So we can use directly by including this header file in our program. So this is pre-processing commands which are declared at the starting of the program or above the main function. So after that we can declare the global variables. So after that main function comes. So integer main is the main function. It is basically like all other functions, but the difference is that main function is automatically called by operating system when user runs the program. So here we given the data type as integer, and inside the main function we are going to print hello. So we use the function printf, which will print the particular text or particular text in the console window, and after that return 0, means we are given the data type integer to the main function, and after compiling after successful compilation of the program, the function will return 0. So this is the basic program, and this program is given to the C compiler, and the C compiler will compile this program into the machine code, and this machine code then runs the program and produce the output, and it will show the output on console window. So this is what and how C language program works. Now we are going to implement it. Here I created the file example1.c, and I am going to implement the program which we have discussed. So I am including the header files stdio.h, then creating main function main, and inside main I am printing something, hello world. So, and after that I will return 0 if it will compile successfully. So we are going to build it and then run it. So here you can see that hello world is printed on the console window. This is a console window in which it will gives the output of C program. So this is what the basic program of C language. So thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for further C tutorials. Thank you.